Okay, this afternoon we're in this stunning location of Montefrio and we're here to visit a property which is just a 5-minute drive from here, a detached country villa with pool, and again a half an hour walk or a 5-minute drive down to this stunning town. Okay, so this is the drive to the property, gated as you can see, mains electricity as you can see there coming in, and just beyond the electricity pylon just to the right you can just see the top of the original church of the old castle part of Montefrio, so you can see how close we are to the town. So this is the gate, fenced all the way around, gardens, a tad overgrown just at the moment, but obviously we're coming into springtime, everything's lush and green, so land, fruit trees either side of the drive coming down to the property itself, which sits here, the front part under this covered porch. Large garage, single car entrance, but it goes the full length back, as you'll see when we're going inside. Okay, let's have a quick look at the porch. 3 arches, as you can see, coming under the porch. It has lights out here, nice brick arches with lots and lots of area for seating, access direct from the drive here, my car outside the garage, the main door, and there is actually vehicle access to the side here, which goes round to the rear patio and garden and pool area, which we'll see. And this line at the side off the drive there actually has access if you want to take a tractor onto the land at the back, or a vehicle to do maintenance work. Okay, let's go inside. Okay, coming inside this bright entrance hall, the darker area directly in front of us is the large garage, which we'll see in a second. Stairs that you can see there going to the first floor. On the ground floor here, as we come in, we have a lovely fully tiled shower room with enclosed glass shower, subway style tiles and slate grey tiled flooring, very nicely done. The bathroom serves obviously the ground floor living area, and also the first room on the ground floor here is the ground floor double bedroom. Very nicely appointed. These much lighter modern terracotta tiles run throughout the whole of the ground floor. Enough room for wardrobes, bedside drawers, spotlights into the ceiling, along with a double bed and footstools at the end of the bed. So a really good sized room with a nice window bringing light in from the drive at the front. Coming through the entrance passage now into the ground floor living room. It's actually 6:45 on an early April morning, and the sun is absolutely streaming from the back of the property at the moment. So at this end of the room, double glazed, double doors there opening out onto the patio. Apologise if this is really bright, but we have a large dining table here, big enough for 8 people. You see it's currently set for 6, and as I come round, this extends open plan into a very nice country style kitchen beyond the doors, storage, inset electric oven with gas hob, nice granite worktops all the way around, set above the dishwasher, and an inset place for a good size fridge, freezer and wine storage, natural light coming in from the kitchen window, lovely tiled backsplash all the way around, and nice traditional Andalusian style cupboards and storage underneath. We have a lovely sink and half with drainer, again with the black backsplash, I beg your pardon, and just L-shaped off this kitchen diner is a lovely lounge. Coming inside the lounge, as you can see, we have a large sofa and 4 comfortable chairs in here at the moment. Nice wall lighting around with spotlights on the ceiling, and a nice stoned corner wood burning stove here for cosy winter evenings. The room is triple aspect, I guess. We have French doors coming out onto the rear terrace and the pool, access to the pool here, and there are also 2 windows flooding light in to this space here. So very, very bright indeed. And of course the camera's set for the interior. We've actually got very white bright light out of the windows. Obviously when we go back outside we'll be back on the exterior settings, but obviously I want you to be able to see all the rooms. Let's take you through into the garage, and then we'll go and look at the first floor. So 1 ground floor double bedroom and a bathroom, full shower room on this ground floor. And coming through from the entrance hallway into the garage. So the garage, as you can see, is very, very large indeed. Power, light. These are the garage doors where my car was parked outside. So full double length garage. It opens out wider at the back for storage in here, workshop space, store cupboard, and also, as you can see, it's plumbed for an automatic washing machine. Okay, let's go back into the entrance hall and up the stairs. Okay, just before we go back into the entrance hall, as you can see here, large circuit boards here with all the modern MCBs here, and all the power isolated for each individual areas and appliances throughout the house, as it should be in modern times, and the stairs just around the corner. Okay, nice traditional style staircase, terracotta tiles on the treads with lovely Andalusian Granadino style blue and gold tiles on the stairways with lamps up to the arch at the top. Let's see what's up there. Okay, so once we reach the landing, off the landing here we have 1 master ensuite bedroom, 2 further double bedrooms and a family shower room. So let's start here on the right with the master. Lovely bright bedroom, large king size bed in here, as you can see. Still lots of room, electric storage radiators. There is a built-in cupboard, wardrobe, a single one with light on this side. Nice views out of the window, which you'll be able to see on the still photography, and the ensuite shower room. A very large double walk-in shower cubicle with loo just tucked around the corner, and nice vanity, large mirror over a good sink unit, again with marble worktops. Back out onto the landing, bedroom number 2 up here, and 3 in all. Again, another double, great size bedroom, same floor tilings all the way throughout, storage heaters, fantastic good quality double glazing throughout every room in the property, and as you can see here, built-in wardrobes. We'll take a look at the family bathroom in a second. This is bedroom number 3 on the first floor, 4 in all all doubles, all very good, in very good decorative order throughout, wonderful and clean. Again, same double opening, double glazed windows. Again, apologies, but this video is going to show extremely bright outside, but this looks out at the back over the garden. Bear with me 1 second. There we go, just switch the camera over for a second there. Views out over the large plot of flat land. You've got 5 good olive trees and several fruit trees on the back, so it's not actually over planted with everything. Quite often people, if they're coming from outside Spain, we don't have the greatest amount of experience with dealing with olive and almonds, but we would love to have this land either for a pony or a horse. There's enough space. It's all completely fenced, and we do have views here over the pool and the gardens over the terrace at the back. Just before we go back outside, here's the family bathroom. Again, large walk-in shower, all enclosed. Nice slate grey tile flooring. Wonderful, very, very light grey tiles, floor to ceiling, all the way around. Lovely wall lights around the large mirror. Floating sink unit, along with heated towel rails. Very, very comfortable indeed. Let's take you outside. Okay, this is the rear patio, which sits directly outside the rear dining room, with double doors here coming out. There's also access here from the garage, which I've just come out of, and a lockable wood store. Another store here, and access to the land around the side of the garage, and there's another store workshop on the back of there, which sadly I don't have a key for at this moment. Apologies for my camera being stuck here. Coming out underneath this lovely blossom pool, as you can see there, is raised at the back with a pool plant room underneath, and we have this wonderful rear large terrace. Pergola built over this area, which doesn't have its cover on yet for the summer, giving this wonderful rear dining area off the kitchen dining room. The double windows here to this side is the end of the lounge that we saw earlier. Lots of rose plants and things around, just waiting to come into flower, and a nice path all the way around from the front of the house where we started the tour. Lots of little flowers coming through here now, and the small bushes, and we've got this nice stoned area down the side, which includes our built barbecue area here, and the land goes up to the fence there, and is fenced all the way around to the start of the drive, and as you can see, the arches there on the left, which is our covered porch. Okay, let's go and look at the pool area. Okay, a very lovely perspective of the property here. We can see the pool here, which is just counting the tiles there, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. It's about a 7.5 by 5 meter pool. As you can see, it's fully enclosed here and raised up above the land. As you can see, we have outside lights, and it sits at the back of the very, very large outdoor patio to the property. A really, really pretty location. Light's going to be a little bit in our eyes here, but immediately the other side of the pool, you can see here the flat piece of land. The smaller building that we can see towards the back of the property on the right belongs to this property. The one behind it belongs to the property to our right, but we do have a good fence all the way down between the two. If you wanted to build a stable or a kennels or anything here to have next to your orchard, your allotment or your paddock, I think this could work really, really well. Great pool terrace, bordered with olive trees and other fruit trees For those of you who've had my videos before, you know I'm not the world's greatest gardener, but great pool in good condition, and what a lovely surroundings. You do have neighbours on each side who are local, and obviously they have their olives and their small holdings in agriculture, so it's a very small rural community. And hopefully you can see directly above the planter in front of me, and just above and to the left of that lovely blossom there, you can see the church, which is the cliff top of the old castle of Montefrio. So you could actually, in 15-20 minutes at the most, walk into town, and it literally is just a 5-minute drive to all the bars, restaurants, shops, hospitals and amenities that you might need. Fabulous property.